Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Caitlin. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this gorgeous updo. I absolutely love it. It's really easy to hide the clips, and I know sometimes it can be really challenging to come up with updos with clip-in extensions just because you do have to be so worried about the clips, but this one's super easy and it's easy to maintain, so if you guys are interested in this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I actually already have my hair curled as well as brushed out. I have my extensions pre-curled. And for these, I went ahead and just curled them back and forth. I did that because I like to make sure that they don't all group together, and by curling them all the same way with your ponytail, it'll kind of tend to just become one big curl, and I don't really like that. I like my ponytail being a little bit more voluminous. You'll also need a brush, a few elastics. Let me see if I can find mine. There they are. A couple elastics as well as some bobby pins. And I do have a rat tail comb for parting, but you actually don't need this. I'm just going to do it to make sure my parts are as straight as possible. And a clip, and that's just to hold your part up. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get started. The first thing I like to do is go ahead and take my take my hair, and around my face I like to kind of take out the pieces I like to keep out. You don't technically have to keep any pieces out, but I really like to keep pieces out around my face just to give it more of that like beachy vibe. There we go. Alright, and now what you're going to do is go ahead and brush the rest of your hair back. And then you're going to go ahead and take a mohawk section about 1 inch behind your bangs. Here we are. And just go straight back, and only take this to about halfway down the back of your head. You don't want to take it all the way down. Now once you have that section together, I go ahead and take a hair elastic and just pull everything else out of the way to make sure that it does not get stuck into the braid. Now I'm going to flip around and show you guys how I do the braid. Awesome. Now on this part, I do a Dutch braid, and I start off right behind my bangs, and I take it halfway down the back of my head. Alright, and then once you're done braiding that, just go ahead and braid it all the way down to the bottom without picking up any more hair. Perfect. Now once you're done with that braid, you're going to go ahead and just fatten it up. Making sure it's nice and loose, just to give it that voluminous look. Now once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and take this ponytail out, and then you're going to take a section right underneath your braid, and it's going to be straight across. And it's going to be bigger than your braid itself. Now you're going to go ahead and clip these two sections up, or your braid and the section, and clip those down. You are going to go ahead and take your two clipped weft and just put it right underneath, and then you're going to take that section up and clip it away as well. Now once you have that, you're going to go ahead and take a U-shaped section, taking almost all of your hair but not all of it. You want to leave probably about 1 inch of hair at the nape of your neck. Now you're going to go ahead and take an elastic and go ahead and throw this up into a ponytail. Make sure it is nice and tight. And then you're going to take 2 of your 4 clipped wefts and go ahead and wrap it around your ponytail. Perfect. Now once you have both of those up, you're going to go ahead and take this piece down and let those drop. Now you're going to lift up your braid and go ahead and take everything else besides your face framing pieces, and you're going to go ahead and throw that into a low ponytail. And I just kind of brush my side pieces down just to make sure they're going to stay nice and tight back for me. Perfect. Now you're going to take your hair tie and you are going to take the braid width and go ahead and throw all of this together into a ponytail. Awesome. Now once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and take the elastic out from your braid. There we go. And then I usually go ahead and take the second to just go ahead and brush my ponytail and make sure it is nice and even, as well as, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I have one little piece, little clip trying to poke out on me. So I usually will take the clip and just tuck it back under my hair elastic. And that is just going to be easier to hide once we wrap the little piece around your ponytail. The next thing you're going to want to do, I almost forgot guys, sorry about this, you're going to go ahead and put this last 3 clip weft over your ponytail, and that's going to hide any short little pieces trying to poke out on you. And you're just going to clip this right at the base of your ponytail and wrap it around. Make sure you don't put this too far, this bottom piece, too far down here, or else you're going to see it later on after we do wrap the hair piece around your ponytail. Cool. Now the next thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is take this top piece of your ponytail and do a braid. Perfect. Now once you have that braided far down enough, you're going to go ahead and take an elastic and put it at the end of your braid. And sometimes I'll take 2 just because if one pops, your hairband isn't going to come out altogether. Or your ponytail, sorry. There we go. And now I go ahead and fatten up the bottom half of my braid as well. Now once I am done with that, I'll go ahead and take a piece from the underneath side of my ponytail and I will wrap it around the ponytail itself. And I'll only wrap it about twice so that way it still looks really realistic. Then I will take a bobby pin and just bobby pin it underneath.
Alright,
Alright guys, so when I actually turn back around, I noticed that the back of my braid is kind of viewed down a little bit to the left. So I'm going to kind of turn around and show you guys what to do if that happens to you. So since I actually pulled this braid over and braided it this way, I'm going to pull it over this way to fix it. And you're just going to kind of pull it a little bit more to the right. And then on your ponytail, you're just going to pull it over to the left and just brush it out a little bit. And then place this piece right on top. And that should fix it. And then we're going to turn back around. And I'm just going to curl the pieces around my face. There we are. Thank you guys so much for watching my updo video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next hair video. Bye guys.